Hi YouTube family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this soursop ice cream. Two ingredients. I mean, that's what I had in my kitchen and I felt for ice cream and I thought, why not? So let's taste it. Not bad. Stay tuned for more. What I have here is a 1 cup pureed soursop and I'm going to continue to blend it some more. It's because I had started blending and then I realized my camera wasn't running. So we'll continue with our blending process and you can puree it as smooth as you want. I don't want mine very smooth. The blending of the soursop is done. This is how I want it. Now I'm gonna add the heavy whipping cream. It's not much, just 8 fluid ounces. And we'll pour it in the soursop and then we'll continue blending until smooth, though I don't want it very smooth. So let's do our pouring and then we do some blending. If you are tuning in to my channel for the first time, welcome to Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. So now I am done and this is how I want it to be. As you can see, there's some little lumps, but that's how I want it to be. Yeah, if I wanted it very smooth, I would have blended my soursop a little more. Yeah, so let me try to get all the bits of ice cream stuck to my stick blender. You know, it's not a big batch, so I need every little bit of it. So we're gonna scoop out our ice cream into this container and then we'll pop it in the freezer. But before it hardens, we'll bring it out and whip it. It's now time for us to cover our container and pop it in the freezer for a few minutes. 20 minutes later, let's open our container and do some more whipping. Yeah, because I understand when you do that, the more you do that, the more smooth your ice cream will be. It's not going to be icy. So let's see what happens. Yeah, just whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it. So I've finished doing all the whipping and I just need to make it nice at the top, then pop it back in the freezer. Yeah, cover it, pop it back in the freezer. So a few hours later, the container is out of the freezer and it's time for me to do some tasting. Well, it's not very hard, but I'm still gonna taste it. Yeah, it's not icy. Yeah, it could have stayed a little more, but I guess I'm too anxious to wait. The texture feels good. It could have been smoother, but I like soursop anyhow. Yeah, so this is our ice cream and let's do some tasting. Anybody who likes soursop knows that soursop ice cream is one of the best ice creams. So there you go, soursop ice cream with 2 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.